Page 12, Unit 2, Family Life, Lesson 1, Responsibilities. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Read textbooks.
2,
Pay bills.
3,
Go to bed early.
4,
Repair the house.
5,
Type a report.
6,
Scrub the sink.
Page 12. B. Listen and find. Then talk about the picture.
Tommy, are you almost finished typing your report?
Yes, almost. I'll probably need another 30 minutes.
Okay. Don't forget, your dad and I need to pay bills using the computer when you're done. And Emma, how's your homework going?
I'm reading textbooks now. The chapter in my science textbook is longer than the one in my social studies textbook.
What's that about paying bills? I'm still repairing the house. This door is so loose.
Shh! Anne is going to go to bed early tonight. She wasn't feeling very well, remember?
Mom, I'm right here. I came to say goodnight.
Good night, Anne.
Mom, do you need help cleaning the kitchen?
No, thanks. After I scrub the sink, I'll be finished.
Page 13. C. Listen and say. Then practice.
I have to read textbooks, but my parents have to pay bills. I have to read textbooks, and my parents do too.
1,
I have to read textbooks, but my parents have to pay bills.
2,
I have to read textbooks, and my parents do too.
3,
I have to go to bed early, but my parents have to repair the house.
4,
I have to go to bed early, and my parents do too.
5,
I have to type a report, but my parents have to scrub the sink.
6,
I have to type a report, and my parents do too.
Page 13. D. Listen and say. Then practice.
I don't have to read textbooks, but my son does. I don't have to read textbooks, but my daughter does. I don't have to pay bills, but my parents do.
1,
I don't have to read textbooks, but my son does.
2,
I don't have to pay bills, but my parents do.
3,
I don't have to write a report, but my daughter does.
4,
I don't have to scrub the sink, but my parents do.
5,
I don't have to go to bed early, but my son does.
6,
I don't have to repair the house, but my parents do.
Page 14. Lesson 2. Privileges. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Call friends.
2,
Stay up late.
3,
Invite a friend over.
4,
Watch a scary movie.
5,
Sing karaoke.
6,
Have a party.
Page 14. B. Listen and say. Then practice.
I can call friends on weekends, but I can't call friends on weekdays. Weekends. Saturday. Sunday. Weekdays. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday.
1,
I can call friends on weekends, but I can't call friends on weekdays.
2,
I can stay up late on weekends, but I can't stay up late on weekdays.
3,
I can invite a friend over on weekends, but I can't invite a friend over on weekdays.
4,
I can watch a scary movie on weekends, but I can't watch a scary movie on weekdays.
5,
I can sing karaoke on weekends, but I can't sing karaoke on weekdays.
6,
I can have a party on weekends, but I can't have a party on weekdays.
Page 15. C. Listen and say. Then practice.
My dad could call friends when he was my age, but my mom couldn't. My mom could call friends when she was my age, but my dad couldn't.
1,
My dad could call friends when he was my age, but my mom couldn't.
2,
My mom could sing karaoke when she was my age, but my dad couldn't.
3,
My dad could invite a friend over when he was my age, but my mom couldn't.
4,
My mom could have a party when she was my age, but my dad couldn't.
5,
My dad could stay up late when he was my age, but my mom couldn't.
6,
My mom could watch a scary movie when she was my age, but my dad couldn't.
Page 15. Skills. Reading and writing. D. Listen and read. Then answer the questions. Amusement park rules. We ask our guests to remember these rules. 1. Guests should always wear sneakers. They should not wear sandals. 2. Guests can't use cell phones while on the rides. They may use them in the park, but please be polite. 3. Children must always stay with their parents. 4. Guests have to wear their seatbelts on all the rides. 5. Guests must buy food, snacks, and drinks inside the park. Page 16. Lesson 3. Reading. A. Talk about the story. Then listen and read. Babysitting.
Mike's parents are excited. Their anniversary is next Saturday. They plan to go to their favorite restaurant. They just need a babysitter. Mike, will you please babysit Leo next Saturday? His mother asked him at dinner. Oh, Mom, do I have to? Mike asked. Danny's pool party is next Saturday, too. You don't have to, but you should, his father said. Next Saturday is a special day for your mom and me. Think about it. Mike went to his room and thought, Danny's party would be so much fun. Then he thought about his parents. He went into the living room. Mom and Dad, I want to go to the party, but I want to help you too, he said. I'll babysit Leo next Saturday. Next Saturday, it rained all morning. The phone rang. It was Danny. Hi, Mike. It's too rainy to swim outside. The party will be tomorrow instead, he said. That's great, said Mike. Really? Asked Danny. Yes, I have to babysit Leo today. Mike smiled. He and Leo played video games for a long time. When their parents came home, Mike told them the good news. See? Said Mike's dad. Everything's fine. Everything's better than fine, Mike said, grinning. Everything's great.
Page 17. C. Sing. Do I have to?
Do I have to walk the dog?
Yes, I'm afraid you do. I'm afraid you do.
All right, Dad.
Do I have to feed the cat? Yes, I'm afraid you do. I'm afraid you do.
All right, Mom. Do I have to babysit?
You don't have to, but you should.
Okay, I will. Okay, I will. Do I have to clean my room?
You don't have to, but you should.
Okay, I will. Okay, I will.
Do I have to walk the dog?
Yes, I'm afraid you do. I'm afraid you do.
All right, Dad.
Do I have to feed the cat? Yes, I'm afraid you do. I'm afraid you do.
All right, Mom. Do I have to babysit?
You don't have to, but you should.
Okay, I will. Okay, I will. Do I have to clean my room?
You don't have to, but you should.
Okay, I will. Okay, I will. Okay, I will.
Page 17. D. Listen and say. Then act.
Do I have to babysit?
You don't have to, but you should.
Okay, I will.
Do I have to babysit?
Yes, I'm afraid you do.
All right, Mom.
Page 18. Lesson 4. Basic Math. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Addition.
2,
Something.
3,
Order.
4,
Subtraction.
5,
Multiplication.
6,
Division.
Page 18. B. Listen and read. Basic math. You should use addition to help you add something to something else. You have downloaded 16 songs. You add 29 more. 16 plus 29 equals 45 songs. With addition, you can change the order of the numbers. 16 plus 29 equals 29 plus 16. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. You take something away from something else. With subtraction, you cannot change the order of the numbers. 70 minus 30 does not equal 30 minus 70. Multiplication is a fast way to add the same number many times. You might add 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, but you can multiply 8 4 times. It's faster. Like addition, you don't need to worry about number order. 8 times 4 equals 4 times 8. Division helps you separate something into equal groups. There are 55 students, and you want to divide them into 5 groups. 55 divided by 5 equals 11 students in each group. To check your answer, just multiply 11 times 5. Like subtraction, you must not change the order of the numbers when you use division. 55 divided by 5 does not equal 5 divided by 55. Page 20. Review 1. A. Listen and circle. 1.
Excuse me. How do I get to the museum from here?
The museum? Oh, that's easy. First, walk over the bridge. Then, walk down the stairs and turn right.
Over the bridge, down the stairs, and turn right. Okay, thanks.
Where does the boy walk first?
2.
Mom, can I watch a scary movie tonight?
No, you can't, Jenny. Today is Wednesday. You have school tomorrow.
Can I call friends tonight?
Yes, you can, but you can't stay up late.
What can Jenny do tonight?
3.
The Ueno Zoo in Tokyo, Japan, is a fun place to visit. You can observe many animals there, like the giant panda, zebras, and gorillas. The zoo is open from 9:30 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m., Tuesday through Sunday. It is closed on Mondays.
What can you do at the Ueno Zoo?
4.
Dad, students have a difficult life. We have to read textbooks every day and study for tests.
But you don't have to pay bills, Ken. Your mother and I have to do that.
That's true, Dad. Maybe your life is more difficult.
What do Ken's parents have to do?
5.
Hi, Erica. Did you have a nice weekend?
It was great. Jenna and I went to the amusement park again.
Did you take the train there?
Well, we usually take the train there, but this time we caught a taxi.
How do the girls usually get to the amusement park?
6.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Davis.
Here is your first math problem for today. I bought 8 oranges. My son ate 3 of them. How many oranges do I have now?
You have 5 oranges.
That's right.
What kind of math do you use to find the answer?
Page 21. Skills Bonus. Reading, writing, listening, and speaking. A. Read. Then answer. The Busy Millers.
Every morning, Mr. and Mrs. Miller walk up the street and take the subway to work. Their sons John and Chris walk along the river and then go over the bridge to school. Every evening, the children have to read textbooks. Mr. and Mrs. Miller have to pay bills and repair the house. The Millers do things together. They are busy, but they are happy too. John and Chris help their parents cook dinner. Mr. and Mrs. Miller help their sons study for tests. On weekends, they can stay up late and watch scary movies together. In our family, we work together and play together, says Mrs. Miller. It's great.
Page 21. C. Listen and number. 1.
All right, let's hurry up and cook dinner before Mom gets home. Megan, you have to cut the carrots.
Okay, Dad.
What do I have to do?
You have to set the table.
Okay.
2.
Enjoy your first day of school, boys.
Thanks, Dad. Could you tell us again? How do we get to school?
Sure. First, walk over the bridge and turn right. Then, walk along the river and go straight.
3.
This movie is great. Mom, do I have to go to bed after the movie?
Well, it is Saturday. You can stay up late tonight.
Thanks, Mom.
4.
Mom, can you help me study for my math test?
Of course, Chris.
Thanks. Is 10 plus 3 the same as 3 plus 10?
Yes, it is.